Heat loss is one of the biggest energy wastes in home heating. If your home's insulation is lacking, you could be spending quite a bit of money on heating that's going straight outside. Redoing the insulation in your entire home can be quite the undertaking, but it is the best way to prevent heat loss through your walls. There are a variety of home insulation options to choose from. Loose fill insulation can be easier to install in existing homes, but this is really something that should be discussed with a professional before you begin working on your home. However, there are a few other places heat can be escaping through your home and HVAC system that you shouldn't ignore. Some of these you might even be able to take care of yourself on a budget. 1. Windows. You can insulate windows yourself with weatherproof caulk purchased from your local home or hardware store. For a big project, you'll likely want to get a good caulk gun instead of trying to use small tubes of sealant. One helpful trick is to get a wet rag and use it to smooth out any mistakes. Caulk will stick to a dry rag and make a big mess. You can also add weather stripping to your windows for further insulation during the winter months. 2. Ductwork. If the majority of the ductwork in your home is exposed, if you have an unfinished basement for example, you can inspect your ducts for holes, gaps, and rusted pieces that may need repair. Any major duct repairs should be done by a professional, but you can seal small gaps and leaks yourself with a combination of aluminum tape and mastic sealant. Sealing holes in your ducts will make your heating system more efficient and can help lower utility bills. If you have an old house, we have a separate video of how you can install your ductwork. We'll leave the link in the description. 3. Attics. Attics are notorious for their poor insulation and difficulty in temperature regulation. Attic spaces are difficult to keep warm in the winter and cool in the summer. If you insulate your attic, you'll see a huge reduction in heat loss, resulting in lower utility bills, less strain on your heater, and greater comfort in your home. 4. Crawl spaces. Like attics, crawl spaces allow heat to escape from your home. While they aren't as big of a problem in the summer, they can cost you over the winter in heat loss. Crawl spaces are naturally cold areas. Without adequate insulation, the heat from your home transfers to the cold crawl space and is lost. You're essentially heating the ground, and you might be wasting a lot of money doing it. Most professionals recommend some type of foam-based insulation for crawl spaces. If you want to connect with a local HVAC contractor, check out the link in the description below.